In the time being, we've been doing letter combination, and that is what we're going to be doing today as well. So today we're going to be working with the letter Y to see how they sound when they are being combined. So let's dive straight into it. We have by, si, die, guy, hi, kai, my, nai, pi, si, tai, y, zai. Alright, let's go over it again. By, si, die, guy, hi, kai, my, nai, pi, si, tai, y, zai. Alright, so right here on the board I have Y and I, because sometimes you see a word having Y after the first initial, but it is being pronounced with the sound I. Alright, so today's video I want us to look at some of the words that you can see appearing like that, and sometimes the reason why they can actually appear like that. Okay, so let's look at those words. Let's see these examples. And if you see me for the first time, meet me. I am Tina, and this is what we do here. This is English Affairs 101, and you can actually join the family by subscribing. So let's go. So we have by, by, bypass, bite, by far. We have CY, cycle, cyber, cyclist, cyprus, cycle, cyber, cyclist, cyprus. We still have CY again, sounding, cylinder, cito, cypran, right? So let's move to this next one. I'm going to explain this after now. All right, so I have DY, I have dynamic, dynasty, dynamic, dynasty. Now we have DY again, sounding, dysentery, dysfunction, dysonic. Now there's something I want us to get right here. If you pay very good attention at the sounds you are getting from these two, you're going to understand that when we pronounce this, we have the psi, the S sound, and when we pronounce this, we have the C sound. Okay, cycle, cylinder, cycle, cylinder. All right, and here we have dynamic, dynamic, dysentery. Can you see? So looking at this two, you're going to see that the ones that always sound with the I are usually those ones that sounds like the original pronunciation when it's being recited as 26 letters of English. Then the second sound is the one that sounds the other way that we are working on today. Did you get that? Let's proceed. So I have GY, the guy, I have gynecology, I have gyrometra, okay? And again, the same GY reads gym. Now here it is G, the G sound. We have gynecology, the G sound, and we have gym. Did you get the magic right there? So when it has this Y, it gives us the second sound, and when it sounds this I, it gives us the original sound. We have gym, gynecology. Do you get that? All right, like I said, the magic right here, this is cylinder, this is cyber, so the letter changed here with Y. This is dynamic, this is dysentery, the letter changed. This is D, this is D. This is gynecology, this is G, this is G, this is G, right? So let's proceed. So right here we have the HY, hyacinth, hybrid, hydrate. Hyacinth, hybrid, hydrate. So this is the KY, which is the chi. We have kyphotic, we have kyphosis, we have kyanite. Okay? For key, we have again KY, keto, Did you get that? Keto, Now, A is sounding K and ki is sounding ki. So we have the kyphotic, kyphosis, kyanite, and we as well have keto. Now to the my, which is the my sound, we have might, we have mycology, we have myopia, we have meiotic. Okay, we have might, mycology, myopia, meiotic. The same my reads mycology, miso, metallurgy. Okay, mycology, miso, metallurgy. Right, so stay on what I explained before. These two sounds are actually playing right here. All right, so let's go to the next one. We have the ny, we have the nylon, and we have the nifu. Nylon, nifu, nylon, nifu. We have py, which is the pi sound. We have the pictographs, python, pyrography, pictographs, python, pyrography. Okay, I'm looking at this xy, which is the psi. Most of the words sounds like si, which is the si. So I have system, symbol, Sydney, syllable. So that most of the words sound si instead of xy. Now let's move to the ty, which is the tie. So we have typhoid, type, tyrant, typo. All right, wy, which is the y sound. We have Weiler, Wycliffe. Okay, and we have xy, which is the xi sound. Xi, we have Xyris, Xylobia, Xylem, and we have the xy sounded like the xi, Zilaria, Zilaria. Okay, so this is what it is for today's video, and I hope you got something out of it. And don't forget to drop your comment on the comment section what you think about today's lesson and what you learned actually for today's lesson. And if you're yet to subscribe, please join the family by doing that and turn on your notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video, and bye.